Hey art lovers, welcome to Uzad's. Let's slow down, create and feel our best today. Let's begin with the cherry blossoms. Splatter clean water onto the paper, forming clusters. Drop pink tone into water, creating pink puddles. Let it be loose, organic shapes that come naturally together. Leave some white spaces in between. This will give a painting the depth and lightness. Take a moment, breathe and settle into this creative space. Using a very soft blue, gently wash the part of your paper to create the sky. Keep your strokes loose and fluid. Don't worry about perfection here. As you move down, around and in between the branches, you can leave some areas lighter, a few darker. This will help create a soft, airy feel in the background. Now, wet the bottom of the paper for the green grass bed. You can add a hint of softness by blending the edges gently with any shades of green. Let the colors move naturally. Next, let's move to the main element, a cherry blossom tree. Using shades of browns, start sketching the trunk and branches. Keep your strokes natural and slightly uneven. Trees don't grow in straight lines. Let your hand move freely, allowing the branches to spread outward and upward. Let's bring the tree together. Using a darker brown, add a few stronger lines to define the trunk and the main branches. This will help anchor our painting and create a beautiful contrast against the soft blossoms. You can add a few details, maybe a few birds flying in the sky or a small bird sitting on a branch. And maybe a tiny squirrel below, peacefully chewing just like us, taking a slow moment. For the final touches, if you like, you can add a few splatters to create a more natural blooming effect. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow Uzad's for more mindful DIY art. Do like, comment and share my videos. See you in the next creative break. Bye.